guys, it's your girl Gladel Washira here, and welcome to our African village vlogs. Yeah, so today we're gonna cook fish, and I'm so super excited to show you how to prepare fish in our community, in our village. Yeah, so guys, keep on watching. So happy, super excited, yeah, because we are going to cook the most amazing and the most expensive dish in my village. Yeah, so guys, that's the fish. Fish is actually one of the most expensive thing, or the kind of a meat in our village. Yeah, so guys, here is our fish. Yeah, so we just got from the market. Yep. Yeah, so guys, here is our fish. You see the way it's big. Yeah, so guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and also share this video. It's very important you hit the notification button so that you can always watch our new videos once we upload them. Yeah, so guys, we will start by washing the fishes. We actually bought 2. And guys, tell me how you call this kind of a fish in your village. Yeah, so in my local village we call it ngege. Yeah, so let me know. See, this is tilapia.
Yeah, it's tilapia.
Yeah, so this is tilapia. Yeah, so this size is big and it's very expensive. Yeah, so I think we bought this for 450 Kenyan shillings. That is, I think, $1.5. Yeah, so we have 2. We are going. Yeah, guys, we are going to prepare the fish. Yeah, so we are going to remove the scales. And also remove the fish stomach. Yeah, so this is the fish stomach. Yeah, so guys, I'm trying to remove the intestine and everything. Yeah, I think everything is out. Because there's always a lot of sand. Make sure the area of the gills and wash it so nicely. Yeah, so guys, we are already done washing. guys, we are done. So the next thing is to cut them into pieces, then we deep fry them inside the oil. So guys, we are going to cut this fish into 3 parts. Yeah, so guys, my friend Yeah, so guys, you can see how our fish is brown, very brown, no? They look so sweet. And that's the head. Yeah. There's a steak here. There's a steak here. Another steak. Wow, it's very brown. So I'm going to put some cooking oil. Next I will put the tomatoes. Yeah, so our onion is ready, they are brown. So we are going to put our tomatoes. We are going to put our salt. So we are going to, I'm going to put the fish on top. Woo! The fish is ready, it's so sweet, and the only thing we have added is a little bit of water and pepper. Yeah, so guys, keep on watching. Don't forget to comment down and tell us what else you'd love us to cook. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much and bye bye.